boys and girls, we are ready for our math test today. It's our math test over Chapter 4. So it is in your packet. So make sure you have it out, and I'll take you through each number step by step, giving you directions. Make sure you put your name at the top. And you need to have a pencil and some crayons nearby. Alright, so put your finger on number 1 by the red apple.
Vocabulary. 10.
Alright, so that word says 10. T-E-N. Put your pencil on the word 10 and draw a line to the 10 frame that has 10 red counters in it. So you've got the number word 10. Draw a line to the frame that has 10 red counters in it. There's only one. Alright, next put your finger on that yellow sunshine. Alright, the directions say you want to show the number 10. So you can get out one crayon. Here is the 10 frame. Show me the number 10 in there. How many do you need to color to show me the number 10? That's pretty easy. Then after you show me 10, you're going to use your pencil and write the number 10 on that dotted line. So color 10 counters in the 10 frame and then write the number 10. All right, next we're coming down to the green leaf.
1 blue cube. What number red cubes? What number cubes?
Alright, we're going to have 10 cubes altogether. So boys and girls, you need 1 blue crayon. Color 1 cube blue. That should take you just a second. 1 blue cube. Then you want to get a red crayon. Color the rest of the cubes red. So you colored 1 blue one. Color the rest of them red. When you are finished with that, count to see how many cubes that you colored red. One of them was blue. How many of them were red? So on this first dotted line, use your pencil and write how many cubes were red. Then on the next dotted line, write how many cubes you have all together. When you count the blue one and all the red ones, how many do you have all together? Write that on this next dotted line. When you are finished with that, turn the page and fold it back. You only need your pencil now. Alright, put your finger on the blue flower and see how many red counters are in the 10 frame. Here are your choices.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Fill in the circle under the number that tells you how many red counters are in the 10 frame. Alright, go down to the purple butterfly. Here is our number.
10.
Which set has 10 in it? Looks like you've got some, I'm not sure what those are. Might be an airplane. Then some beach balls, some shovels, and some pails. Which set has 10 in it? There's only one. Come down to the acorn by number 6. All right, these are called cube train, boys and girls. Remember when we put two colors together and make a cube train? One of those cube trains has 10. Mark next to the one that has 10. You may need to touch and count each one of them, and that is fine, but find the one that has 10. All right, put your finger by the pink heart.
5, 6, 7. What number? 9, 10.
There is a number missing right here that have 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Mark under the number that is missing. When you're finished with that, pick up your page and just flip the whole thing over. We're on our last page. You should have a blue fish at the top of the page. All right, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 red cube trains right here. Mark next to the one that is greater than all the others. I can tell by looking. You can also count if you need to. But one of these cube trains is greater than all the others. Mark next to that one. All right, now we are by number 9, by the seashell. You've got some bottles of suntan lotion, some sunglasses, some beach chairs, and some little surfing boards or floating boards. All right, mark under the set that is less than the others. And these you probably need to count, because even though they all start in the same spot, like the sunglasses we can tell are longer than the bottles of suntan lotion, so I would count to be sure. You want to find the set or the group that has less than the others or smaller than all the others. All right, now you are by the orange. Here's your number.
7.
All right, they want you to find a number that is greater than 7. So this number is 7. Here are your choices.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Which one of those numbers is greater or more than 7? Mark underneath it. Greater than 7. All right, here is our last question. You should be down here by the green turtle. We've got the number
7.
7 again. This time they want you to find the number that is less than 7. Here are your choices.
6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, mark under the one that is less than 7. All right, boys and girls, you can put a great big X on this back page because we do not have cubes to do our problem solving together. So we're just going to X that one out. You do not have to do that. But please go back and make sure that your name is on the front so that when I check it, and I take it out of your packet, your name is on the front. All right, boys and girls, if you had any questions or needed any help or had a problem with one of the questions or something on the test, then please call me or send me a message, and I'll be glad to help you. See you soon.